nature. A lot of people like it, but if you ask me, I think it's a load of bollocks. A gentle breeze, crap. Babbling brooks, crap. Grass, bollocks. It's a load of nature rubbish. Oh yeah, bastard. You see, I've always hated nature, and nature's always hated me. From a young age, I knew it was against me. Thing is, it's not just nature. I can't stand wildlife. Have some of that. You mooey little bastard, you. You spotted dick. You looking at it? I've seen you. Cats, horses, emus, gazelles. My next door neighbour's dog that keeps shitting on my fucking lawn. I said, if I catch that dog doing that again, I'll wring his fucking neck. And he comes at me. I said, what? You what? I thought maybe I'm being a bit too harsh on nature, so I went along to meet Julian Fairmother, local nature philosopher, to try and change my mind. So Julian, nature, what's it all about?
Well, Ken, nature...
Shut the f*** up! Prick. What an arsehole. I've been everywhere. I've seen nature. It's shit.